Okay, so I got another open box for you guys to see, and I got myself it's called a UBeesize tripod phone holder. And the reason why I got this is because I've been having the whole one hand trying to multitask and open boxes, and that just ain't working. So as you guys can see, that I'm trying actually right now the whole one hand Charlie thing. So that's the reason why I needed to get me one of those, so that I can make these video pretty swift and not trying while trying to be holding the phone and opening the product with the other hand without pausing, which seems to be kind of working out. Interesting. I guess try again, but as I said, it's gonna be a little faster without holding the phone in one hand, so just be patient with me, guys. So I refuse to put the phone down. I really do. I really do. I want to make this quick. If I get one side open, I should be able to get the other side open. Look at that. Ain't that something? The struggle is real. The struggle is real. Won't be struggling no more after today. So I just want you guys to see what it looks like. It says, according to the description, it's pretty much wraps itself around anything. You can mount it onto a bike. Look at that. Big bucks for a small item. It really is small. Look at the size of this thing. So, according to the description, it pretty much wraps itself around if you want to record while riding a bike, or wrap it around a chair, wrap it around anything. Comes with its own little remote, and it says it's compatible with Android phones, iOS and Android. It's written right there. And what are these? Like I said, the struggle is real. I'm trying not to be... I guess I'm going to have to eventually pause. So that pause thing didn't work. I actually pressed the wrong button just to get back into the video. Alright, so I'm glad I finally got it out. See, I told you guys I need it. Alright. So, I don't even know what this part is for, but I'm going to put it in the description box below with a link, and you guys can go check out the descriptions. And this is a part, alright, to hold the phone together. There's also a part, I guess, to hold, I forgot what they call the name of the thing. But yeah, I'll put the description below. This is just a open box for you guys to see, because they had a mini one there for around, it was $8, I believe. And I was trying to figure out what's the difference between this one and that one, and this one's a little bigger. And it says it's supposed to be able to wrap itself around. Oh, it does wrap. It bends. So okay, cool. So if I want to wrap it around anything and be able to record, it will do that. It fits a camera. It also, it's all in the description. You know, I'm trying to give you guys. I like how this feels though. Oh, that's so cool. So you could bend it and shape it any way you want, wrap it around stuff. Cool. That's real cool. And you got your adjust. And it's 360 degrees swivel, which is even better. Just like everything else, it comes with the manual. This is a Bluetooth remote shutter. You got a good idea on how to operate that. Alright, and this guy here, love and thank you for your business. And there it is. UBeesize Global. So that's cool. I think I want to try to wrap it around and some stuff and see if that works. Well, there you go. And this is where it tells you what it can support. Give you guys a closer look at that. So it's for digital cameras, and you have your phone size that it can accommodate. And there it is. And your sport cameras. They also that's what the part is for. So that small part is for, you know, if you have like those small sport cameras where you want to take on a bike or whatever. So that's what this is for. So I don't have those, but it's good to have that. I've seen a lot of people around the city with it, doing a lot of videos and stuff. So that's kind of cool. So you're gonna get a 3-for-1. All right, but the thing is, can it wrap around stuff? Let me see. I'm gonna try to pause the video. Hope I press the right button this time. I figured it out, yay! So that's a snug bug in a rug. Look at that. Look at that. So any YouTubers out there who knows about this, who's now starting up, who's trying to get their act together like myself, yeah, this is pretty cool. It's not bad. It's pretty much inexpensive. Paid $15 for it, which is not too bad, and it does the job. Look at that. It actually wraps, and look at that. That's so freaking cool. Technology is a real itch. I just wanted to make sure. That is so cool. Whoever thought of this, kudos to you. So that's it, guys. That's about what I have for you guys today. So now that let's hopefully no more holding of cameras and trying to do the whole one hand thing, the one hand balancing act. So hope you guys enjoy this. Thank you so much. Enjoy. Be blessed.